Hey y'all, so today I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to be taking you guys with me to Dollar Tree for, as you can see by the title, a makeup tutorial using Dollar Tree items. So I'm literally right around the corner from Dollar Tree, and we're about to pull up and see what they got going on. I'm gonna do my makeup only using Dollar Tree products. Alright y'all, so I am here y'all at Dollar Tree, the beauty aisle. And let's see what they got for us, y'all. Let's start over here. I think I'm going to grab these eyeshadow, what is it? Shimmering loose eyeshadow with brush. Okay, so I'm gonna grab that. We have lip gloss. You already know you can't go wrong with some lip gloss. I'm gonna get this pink one. So the shimmering loose eyeshadow is only in purple and shimmer color. What color is this? It don't even say the color. Oh, this is grape jelly. This is Snow White. Okay, what else am I going to grab? So I'm gonna grab this for eyeshadow as well. We don't need chapstick. We got gloss already. Oh, I'm also gonna grab this. I like the color, so I guess I'm doing a purple color from what I have so far. We have primer. Oh Lord, let's try Dollar Tree primer. What is this? Tinted, scented lip balm. We don't need that. We need concealer. Let's see if they got something for us chocolate queens out here, because Dollar Tree be trying us. I don't think any of these. This may work. It's a little chocolatey. I can use this to highlight. Okay, and it says buildable coverage, so you already know that ain't full coverage. What else we got up here? These are too light for me, y'all. I'm dark skinned. I'm chocolate. There's more eyeshadow palettes. I don't think I need any more. So I'm going to pack. Wait, actually, I like this. I could use this to build up as a base. We have some liquid gold eyeshadow. We don't need that. What is this over here? We have new LA contour sticks. We have a chocolate one, y'all. But it's shimmery. It's for contouring. It's shimmery though. Do y'all see that? How are you gonna contour with a shimmer stick? I don't want to be shining. So I'm gonna pass on that. More lipstick. I'm just gonna do a lip gloss. Or maybe I could do like a nude. Yeah, a nude. I'm gonna do that. Oh, this is concealer. Never mind. I thought it was a nude lip gloss. If anything, I'll just do a clear lip gloss. I don't know. That's too basic. I want something like, what's this? High shine lip gloss. I don't know. We'll see if we find anything else. But what else do I need here? I think I'm good. I got concealer. So I don't think I want to go that deep and use their brushes, but there are plenty of brushes here for you if you need brushes. I think the only thing I'm gonna get is a blending brush. It's not a blending brush. So if I find that, I'm going to grab that. Oh my god, wow, these lashes. Ugh. I don't think I'm gonna use Dollar Tree lashes either. Y'all, who wearing this? What is that? This is so ugly, y'all. I refuse to use this. I refuse. I'm using this Match Me for $5. I actually like these lipsticks though. Let's get into it. I might have to do this. I feel like it's not gonna be like a full covered lipstick. And it's called Black Orange. I love dark lipstick. So I think I'm gonna do that. We have mascara, maybe mine. Using that. We have eyeliner, of course I use that. We have black, it's called all eyeliner. I mean, I guess we can get that. So instead of this mascara, I want to do this one. Only not only because purple's my favorite color, but this is Big Lash. This one just has mascara lash beauty. Where is it? Right there. I want a Big Lash. Okay, what else we need? This is skincare. I don't need that. Y'all, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna use their foundation because this is way too light. I'm just gonna use my foundation. So the only thing I'm gonna use in my stuff is foundation. What else do I need? I see. That is everything, y'all. What is this? Not everything. I think I know what I'm doing. We're doing a purple with darkness. Ooh, hold on, y'all. This is for nail art. I thought it was like glitter for your face, but you can use it as glitter for makeup. They have green and blue, so if you want to do that, you can definitely do that. I don't want to do any glitter looks. I think I'm just gonna stick with my purple. Where is it? Right here. My purple loose eyeshadow. This looks so cute. This one is so cute. So I think I have everything, y'all. Stay tuned for part 2 when I actually do my makeup. I just wanted to take you guys with me. I had this before. This is my last thing. I had this before. It's not that great, so if you want it, you can try it. But it's not that great. But that's all, y'all. I will see you guys in my next video. All right, y'all. So I am leaving Dollar Tree. As you can see, everything only cost. I spent $14, but I got 3 things that was not makeup related. So everything only cost what? $11. So that means I got 11 items, 11 beauty items at Dollar Tree for only $11. So y'all see how affordable that is? Now I'm about to beat my face using these products. So stay tuned, y'all.